Easiest recipe in the world. Lemon juice, lemon zest, eggs, butter, little vanilla extract, sugar. To make this lemon curd, I'm going to use the Vitamix blender. I'm going to start off with half a cup of lemon juice, about 3 tablespoons of lemon zest, or zest of 2 large lemons, 5 whole eggs, room temperature, 1.5 cups of white sugar, teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's lid this thing up. I'm going to start it on low, and I'm going to crank it up to 10. Turn it down to the level 5, and I'm going to add my butter in 1 piece at a time. In less than 8 minutes, I've got a lemon curd. It's super hot right now, nice and thick. And I'm going to transfer this over to a deli cup and put it in the fridge until I'm ready for it.